Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to remove this airbag in the steering wheel on a 2004 Lexus SC430. This works on a 02 to 09 SC430. So you're going to need a T30, so a Torx 30, a flathead screwdriver or a pick, and then I think a 18 or 19 millimeter socket to remove the actual steering wheel. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back here and remove this cover right here. Okay, make sure not to lose it because I'm pretty sure I lost that one. Next we're gonna remove this piece like this. I just popped it off and remove it like that. And then right here we can access the T30. Okay, now we got that T30. Go in and remove these two bolts. Okay, after you get those screws out, it's gonna pop open like this. You can just pull that piece off like so. Airbag is out of the way. Now you just need your, I believe this is a 19 millimeter. To remove that, and first we're going to go in here and pop this off right here. So just pop that off so when you remove it, it doesn't stay attached to that. Okay, so let's get this removed. Okay, it is a 19. Now that that's on, so I'm going to show you how to a trick to remove this steering wheel without having a steering wheel remover tool. Just makes it a lot easier. So first we're going to remove that just a little bit. So don't remove this all the way off. And then we're gonna, with both hands, just go back and forth. So I'm gonna try to show you how to do that. So like this. Okay, so finally popped off. Now we're gonna actually remove that and go like this, and that removes the steering wheel. So that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.